Hey guys, good morning. It's Jim, Redo Banshee Parts and Accessories, and Marty and I are here this morning. We're going to do a quick how-to video on if you've got a pesky wrist pin here that's kind of stuck in the piston. If you're getting ready to do a top end like we're getting ready to do here, if you've got a wrist pin that's kind of pesky and it won't just slide right out, I'm going to show you a little hack here on how to get those out. So first thing you want to do, guys, is you want to make sure you got either a small screwdriver or one of these dental picks. You can get them at Harbor Freight or whatever. These work great for these little wrist pin clips, okay? So the first thing you want to do, you just want to reach inside there. You just want to peel your wrist pin clips out, and they look like this. So just peel them out of there. Now, keep your hand over them or put a little, I like to put a little paper towel or something down inside my motor when I'm pulling those out, because they'll usually go pew and fly out everywhere. So if you're not paying attention. So anyways, get both sides out, all right? Out of the left side and the right side, and then get you one of these little 4-inch clamps. Really simple. You're gonna find you like a 7/16 socket or whatever size fits inside the piston, but is the same size as the wrist pin. Okay, so you're just gonna start from one side. Doesn't really make any difference which side you start from. And just go ahead and show them, guys. What we're gonna do here is we're just gonna place the socket right inside here, and we're just going to put this here. Now, I've already pushed this out a little bit, but for illustration purposes, you're just gonna put the clamp on there right here, and you're just gonna give it a little bit of pressure, okay? Just like that, and you're just gonna tighten it a few turns until that thing kind of pops, all right? It's gonna pop. And then once it pops, and you push the pin out to where it's flush with the side of the piston here, okay? Then we're gonna come over here, and we're gonna grab a socket that's bigger than the pin, of course, and just put it in here. And I'm going to do it the other way around because it's kind of a pain. So I can hold that guy. You just put it over that like so. You got to kind of monkey with it a little bit to get it lined up just right. Oops. It's kind of hard to do because everything's moving all around on you. But you're going to get it lined up just right. Okay. Here we go. All right. Once it's lined up just right, just take your clamp and just twist it a couple times, and you can see here as I'm twisting the clamp, you can see that it's just driving it right through to the other side. Now you can see that it's pushing out like that. Now once you've got it loose, then you can generally, push it through with a screwdriver. Give it a couple little taps. If it's still not coming, if it's not sliding really easily, just go ahead and continue to drive it out with your clamp here. So that's pretty much it, guys. Once it's loose, it should just slide right out. If not, you may have to drive it clear out with the clamp. But what you don't want to do is you don't want to hammer on this thing sideways, because you don't want to mess up the rod here. So that's a little hack on how to get these wrist pin bearings out without screwing anything up. So we'll see you on the next video when we rebuild the top end here. All right, have a good day.